The project browser shows a logical hierarchy for all views, schedules, sheets, groups, and other parts of the current project. Notice that at the top of this palette, there is the views category. If I click on the minus icon next to views, then the subcategories are hidden. And if I click on the plus icon, the views category is expanded and I can see the subcategories again. In the same way, I can expand and collapse each branch to reveal or conceal the lower level items. Expanding or collapsing categories is quite useful when a lot of items have been created in a project, since it can be a little chaotic if every item is displayed. To move further down the project browser and see the rest of the categories, we use the scroll bar that can be found on the right. At this point, let's see how we can open a view using the project browser. Let's say that I want to work on the first floor of the building, so I need to open the level 1 floor plan. All I have to do is double-click on the name of the desired view, and it will open automatically. I can open as many views as I wish, and each one of them will appear as a tab in the drawing area. So now I will search the elevation views, which, as their name indicates, are elevation perspectives, and I will open the north view. As you can see, the north view opened shortly after I double-clicked on its name. Apart from views, I can also open other items, such as schedules, for example. A schedule is a tabular display of information extracted from the properties of the elements in a project. In this example, I will double-click on the planting schedule to open it. As you can see, a table that lists the plants that are included in the project appears. Another item I can open is a sheet. In Revit, you create a sheet view for each sheet in the construction documents set. You can then place multiple views or schedules on each sheet view. In this case, I will open the 102 plans sheet, which, as you can see, contains the floor plans of the building. To sum up, Project Browser is essential to the proper organization and efficient management of our work since. This way, we can find and access any element of the project easily,